Are you tired of wasting time sourcing components from a bill of materials, or trying to pass that exact part list from an engineer over to purchasing without any mistakes? Well, we've just made that whole process a lot easier. I'm Rich from Accu, and this is Quick Order. So Quick Order is a new tool designed to stop you wasting time finding and ordering products. You can share your entire bill of materials with a unique link and place repeat orders with a single click. Stick around, I'll show you how it works. To get to Quick Order, simply log in, and in the top right drop-down account menu, head to Quick Order Projects. You'll land in your main Quick Order hub, and to begin with, it'll be empty. Let's change that by clicking New Project at the top right, and it'll take us to the Quick Order creation page. First, you'll have to name your project. Make sure it's something identifiable, so whenever you share it with someone, they'll instantly know what it's for. You can always tweak things later, and as you make changes, everything automatically auto-saves, so you won't lose any progress. Next, let's add some components to your project. Each line has a smart box that mirrors our site-wide smart search. Simply start typing for the component you need, and you'll be shown components that match your query. You can then click Add to List and adjust your quantity as needed. You can also paste in Accu part codes into the boxes. Just put it in, and your component will appear ready to be selected. If you ever accidentally add the wrong component, each line has a trash button, allowing you to remove that line. Once you've gathered all the components needed for your project, there's two options: share or check out. To generate a shareable URL for your Quick Order project, just select Share Your List. This presents you with a window where you can copy your link and then share it with whoever you like. Who knows, you might end up being purchasing's new best friend. Alternatively, if you're ready to purchase, you can click Add List to Cart. This will load your entire project into the cart and then allow you to go through checkout as usual. If you ever need to get back to your main hub, simply head to the account drop-down menu again and click on Quick Order Projects. You can then make any changes needed to your projects, or if you're returning for a repeat order, you can add your Quick Order project to your cart right there from the main hub. That's the reason why we called it Quick Order. So there we have it. That's an overview of our newest feature, Quick Order. Please log into your Accu account and give it a test. We'd really appreciate you trying it out. We've put a lot of work into developing it and think it's going to be a game changer, saving you time, reducing errors, and making purchasing repeat order components even easier. We'd revel in any feedback you have for it too. So once you do try it, please make sure to come back here and leave us a comment for how you found it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I've been Rich, your honorary engineer. I hope you have a great day. Catch you in the next one.